Hello everyone, so today I wanted to unbox this Influenster box with you guys. This was not sent to me for free. This is actually something that I purchased. They had this box up for $50 on their website and it's supposed to have an over $300 value on it. So I was like, why not pick it up? If there's things in it that I'm not going to use, I can throw it in a future giveaway and have my giveaway box all stocked up for you guys. So I was just curious to see what was gonna be in here and have fun opening a box. So without further ado, if you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also ring your notification bell so you guys are notified for all my future videos. And if you guys wanna see what I got in this Influenster box, then just keep watching. Okay, so this thing is huge. I mean, it's like ginormous, and if you don't know what Influenster is, you can download it as an app on your phone and anybody can do it. It's free to use. It doesn't matter if you have a following or not. Basically go on and review items, products, and they'll go through and choose people to send boxes to, send product to for reviews and things like that. So it's a fun way to get some free product. They've sent me several things and I just think it's fun. Let's go ahead and jump in. Like I said, I paid $50 for this and they promised over $300 in value. Sorry, I'm just like looking at this and this is like all smashed. They probably could have laid it on top and had it not be like all messed up. So this thing does talk about all the products that you're getting, so I'm just going to lay that out. So let's get started. So the first thing I got, a Batiste dry shampoo. This is the neon one. It's vibrant and fruity. I do really like Batiste dry shampoo. I currently have one that I'm using right now. It's like the one with the darker tint to it and I really like it. I love a good dry shampoo and having a backup of it sounds pretty good to me. The next thing I'm gonna reach on in here, this is the Tresemme Hairspray, another product I actually already have, and I'm not mad about getting it because this thing's huge. It takes me forever to go through these. I'm actually almost out of my other ones, so perfect timing. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna pull out, this is the Moonstruck Epic Mascara. This is from Younique. I'm not gonna open this. I'm gonna throw this in my little box of giveaways because I have so many mascaras that it's just insane and I'm never gonna get through them all. It's got a 4.43 out of 5 stars with 2.9 thousand reviews. It sounds like it'll be awesome. I actually hear a lot of people talk about Younique and really like it. I'm gonna throw that in my box of giveaways. I'm gonna pull out is this is the Mercier translucent setting powder. It's just a mini version. I actually already have a mini version of it, so this is what the packaging looks like, and you do get a little velour puff with it. I know a lot of people really like Mercier translucent powder. I'm really hooked on my Maybelline one right now, so I don't reach for my Mercier one very often. So I'm also going to throw this in the little box of giveaways. Okay, they have a bunch of things like in baggies, so I'm going to start taking those out. This is the EOS Shave Cream and Moisturizer. Oh, so this is a travel-sized shave cream. So that's cool. I don't usually use shave creams. Ooh, this smells really good. So, well, there you go. I'm excited for that. Okay, the next thing we got in here, this is the Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. I absolutely love these sponges. As you can see right here, I got mine, but it's all dirty. These are actually my favorite way to apply my foundation and concealer. These are relatively cheap as well, like $6 or something like that. I just really like these sponges. They're soft, they feel nice, and they work just as well as a beauty blender, so I'm excited for that. Okay, the next thing we got in here, this is a Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. It deeply exfoliates the dull surface of the skin for clarity, radiance, and a younger looking skin. This thing is tiny, so you'd probably only get like, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 uses out of it, I'm guessing, if that. I have so many little skincare samples like this that I don't use, so I may pass this on to a friend or a family member. Okay, the next thing I'm seeing is some foil packets, which aren't always exciting, but we got a Garnier Fructis Color Vibrancy Treatment. It's a 1-minute hair mask. This is the, ooh, a scalp scrub. I need this. This is the dpHUE AVC Apple Cider Vinegar Salt Scrub with pink Himalayan sea salt. I could actually use that because my scalp is, I don't know, going through a phase at the moment, and I can't seem to get rid of a dry head and scalp. It just, like, I don't know if it's winter or if it's just like the hormones after having a baby, but it's been like this for a while, and my hair just always feels dry. Everything always feels dry, so I could use that. And this one is the Alba Botanica Hawaiian Detox Warming Mud Mask. So I'm assuming it's just like a regular mud mask. It says it's for deep down detoxification. It will soften and prime pores for maximum extraction of stubborn pollutants embedded within skin. Oh, for blackhead prone skin too. That is me. So another fun little thing to try. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna pull out, this is the Coola Sport Organic Sun Care. It's a sunscreen. I believe I already have this one. Yeah, I do. So this is what it looks like. I actually got this in a FabFitFun. So I'm actually gonna throw this into my little box of giveaways. So this is a Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Lolita. I actually have that in her lip liner form, but I don't have it in this. I'm pretty sure this is like one of her best selling shades. It is really, really pretty. Just a really pretty, like, warm purpley brown, basically. So I'm excited for that. This is like the second Kat Von D liquid lipstick I got, and in fact I've got them in boxes, BoxyCharm and this, so that's pretty fun. Okay, this next thing is also in like a little bag. I'm assuming they did that just so that if it like exploded it didn't get anywhere. I'm assuming. This is the Purity Philosophy Made Simple. Oh, it's a 3-in-1 cleanser for face and eyes. Nice. This is actually a pretty decent size too. Perfect travel size. I'm actually happy with all this travel size makeup and products because I'm going out of town and I don't want to fill my bag with, you know, hairsprays like this and huge cleansers, so to have a nice small one will be good. Okay, the next thing, this is the Origins GinZing Refreshing Eye Cream. It smells pretty good too, and like I said, for an eye cream, this is gonna last you forever. It's a cream to brighten and depuff, and apparently it's good at reducing swelling for puffy eyes. So nice. That's pretty fun. Okay, the next thing in here, this is the Love Beauty and Planet Blooming Color Shampoo. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand before. Ooh, that smells really good. I think it must be like a very natural kind of shampoo because it talks about how to make a little difference every day in your shower. Oh, these are recycled bottles, and the scents are infused with natural and ethically sourced oils and extracts. So that's cool. It gives a little bit of planet love while making your hair nice. So this should be fun. It smells really good and I like a good shampoo. So there we go. All right, the next thing I got, this is the Oribe Dry Texturizing Spray. I'm assuming it's just their dry shampoo. I've gotten this previously, I think in an Allure box, or no, I've gotten their hairspray and I really, really like it. So there's the dry shampoo, and I actually think I got a full size one of these in my FabFitFun. I feel like I did. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did. So there you go. Now I have a travel sized one to go with me. Okay, another little bag with the remainder of the products in here. So this first thing that I'm pulling out, this is the Pond's Dry Skin Cream. It's a facial moisturizer. It smells like, it just has that like very powdery like smell. If that makes sense. So it smells okay. I'd probably use it on my girls for their dry skin. I don't know if my nose would like me putting this on my face. I can be pretty sensitive to smell sometimes, so it really just depends, but it's nice. It's a pretty big size too. It would probably take me a while to go through this, so maybe I'll use it on my girls for their dry skin or whatever, but there you go. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out, this is the Jergens Natural Glow Gradually Creates a Flawless Natural Looking Color. It's a daily moisturizer for fair to medium skin tones. I do have fair skin, so that's perfect. I'm assuming this is like kind of like a tanning product. So yeah, it's basically like a fake tan lotion kind of a deal, which actually could be really fun. I think that I have the Jergens like foam sunless tanner. that thing. So this could actually be kind of fun to use. I had been doing that for a little while, and then I've stopped recently. So maybe this could be nice to give me a little color, because look at me, I am super, super pale. All right, the next thing I got in here, this is the Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Texturizing Sea Salt Spray. It's infused with dead sea salt and sea kelp. It gives you tousled waves and a light matte finish to any hair type. So I guess it's just like a beachy sea salt spray. I don't think I've ever really used anything like this before. I know this is the like a little travel sized one of it. It'll be interesting to try. Like I said, I've never tried anything like this before, so it could be fun. All right, the next thing I got, this is the Origins, same thing, the GinZing eye cream. Did they mean to give me 2 of them? But I mean, I got a big one, but then I got this teeny tiny one too. Maybe they just threw it in here just because they wanted me to have a little travel sized one. I got a couple of them. Okay, the next thing I got, this is the Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub, and you put it on your body in the shower or bath. Ooh, that smells really nice. It looks really cool too. It does look like it would be very scrubby. I like a good little scrub type thing, so this will be fun. Okay, and I believe this is the last thing that's in here. This is the NYX Matte Finish Finis Matte Spray. It's a setting spray. I actually prefer more of a glowing kind of setting spray, so I think I'm also going to put this in my box of giveaways, just because I know I'm not going to get any use out of it and I don't want to hold on to something I'm not going to use. So that is it. That was oh, you know what? There was supposed to be a highlighter in here. I'm gonna have to email them because there was and a color. You know what? I'm missing quite a few things, actually. Actually, I'm missing a lot of stuff. There was supposed to be a Becca highlight. There was supposed to be the CoverGirl eyeshadow palette. There was supposed to be a Wet n Wild Mega Glow and a ColourPop Super Shock shadow, and none of that's in here. So that sucks. I'm gonna email them. That actually really sucks, because that's like quite a bit of product. That's 4 things that I was supposed to get that I didn't. Yeah, that sucks. All right, well, I'm gonna email them knowing that I definitely didn't get the value that they told me I was gonna get. So that's really annoying. I just hate when companies do that, when it's like, oh, you're gonna get all this stuff and then you don't. You know what I mean? I got a lot of stuff, but if I was promised something, then I want to get it. So anyways, that's it. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below. I'll keep you updated on what happens if I get those products or not. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you guys leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye.